Greetings, brothers. I'm Joshua Enriquez here to present to you Lourdesian survival tip number 4. But before all that, I have a question to ask all of you. Are you that reader who always skips through important pieces of information in text? As we read our modules and other learning references, it is important that we grasp every lesson and concept so that we can truly learn in online classes. However, it is inevitable that as we scan through our notes, we miss a vital concept that proves to be a hindrance to us as we take quizzes and even recite during classes. That is why I present to you Visor. Visor is an extension that you can install for free on your preferred web browsers. It serves as a reading aid for its users, which is especially useful for us students, as it helps with concentration and comprehension in reading. Through this, various features are there to help you focus. For one, you can customize how many lines you want to read at once. And aside from this, you're also given the ability to dim the screen to your liking, to avoid eye strains after countless hours of staring at our computer monitors. We recommend that you use Visor when you read, especially at night, with the various features and benefits it may provide to your reading experience. With the new normal, we are often taking too much time staring at our screens, and this tool will help us avoid missing any information that we read. So, what are you waiting for? Install and use Visor now so that you can handle and face online learning with ease and comfort. Thank you and Pakset Bon!